Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet, where here we talk about anything and everything that is yarn or crochet related. But today we're going to be talking about yarn. We're going to be talking about some new yarn from Lion Brand. First off though, I do not have a tutorial for this hat. This hat was store bought. But if you like it, you can let me know in the comments. I can make one similar in crochet, a tutorial. Let me know. Anyways, why do I have a hat and coat on? Some of you are going to ask me that. I don't know. It's cold in here. I feel like wearing a coat, and I always wear the hat. Okay, so that's just an inside joke. Some of you will know what that means. Anyways, so Lion Brand has some new yarn I seen, and it was like kind of a mystery and kind of not. Well, it is called, maybe you looked on their site, limited edition select yarn. If you go to their website, you will see it. Here's what they say about it. It says, we're combining two of our favorite things with this limited edition yarn: spectacular savings and a good mystery. My Bagoday loves a good mystery, especially when it comes to yarn. It says, you select your color family and we'll send you a shade that falls into that color group. So, they have the color that you can choose from, like say you like purples, yellows, you just pick purple, yellow, blue, green, whatnot like that. And they'll send you a surprise skein in that, which falls in that color category, right? Okay. The more you order, the wider the variety will be. So I took that as if you order more than one skein, you're going to get different colors of the same family. Am I wrong? Does that sound like that's what they mean? Like the more you order, the wider the variety will be. Says, get creative with the tonal scrap style blankets and sweaters, or whip up small one ball projects like hats and mitts. Okay. It says it's 100% acrylic, machine washable and dryable, medium weight number 4. Okay, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna pick, I don't know why I picked it, I'm gonna pick blue. So I picked blue, and I took that, if I bought more than one, because they have, some of them show like the palettes, the color, all the different colors of, that you could receive. And it says if you buy more than one, the more you order, the wider your variety will be. So I'm like, hey, I'm gonna get 6 so I can see how many different colors of blue I get. So, maybe I can make like an ombre project or something. No, that's not what happened. Although I took it, that was what was going to happen. By the way it read, if you order more than one, the more you order, the wider your variety will be. I got all the same color of blue. I was a little disappointed, just to say the least, because they kind of tricked me into buying 6 balls, thinking I was going to get 6 different colors of blue that I could combine together in one project. No, I got 6 colors of all the same blue. All right, that's okay though. I can make a bigger project, right? Well, I haven't even touched the yarn yet. I don't even know what it feels like. I just opened that and I'm like, yeah, what the heck? And then I went back and reread it to make sure I read it right. And you can tell me if I'm wrong, but go read it for yourself. But to me, it just seems like it meant if the more they buy, the more different colors of blue you're going to get. So you can, mix and match them and make. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. But, I don't know how you get different colors of blue if they just send you buy 6 of them and they send you all the same. If I would have bought 20, would they have all been the same? You got to do a bunch of different orders and pay shipping on them? I have no idea. Anyways, so after I got over the shock of them all being the same, because I thought they'd be different, it's not really much of a mystery to me now. Let's check out the yarn. Okay. So this is it. They had a premium and then they had a select. Both were the same price. And it said that the limited select edition would be shinier than the premium edition. Okay. I actually did get some of the other, it's just not here yet. Lion Brand's moving their facilities at the moment, making of the video, which is 11/19/2022. So they're a little backed up on shipping. So this is what it looks like. A limited edition select. And I told you that it is a 4-weight. Well, why don't we take a little gander at their 4-weight? I'm going to grant good 4-weight. Okay. 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 186 yards, or 170 meters. Machine washable, dryable, 100% acrylic. Knitting needle recommendation is a 4.5, and the hook size is, crochet hook size is a J, made in Turkey. So, it is not a soft yarn. Right off the bat, I'm going to be straight with you and honest with you. I always try to be as honest as I can. I love Lion Brand. I do. I always say that. They are my favorite big yarn company in the United States. That this is not a soft acrylic. This is the limited edition select. It's not the premium. They have two different ones. I would say that it is worse than Red Heart Super Saver. I don't even think Red Heart Super Saver. Red Heart Super Saver is usually my base yarn that I compare acrylics with, because a lot of people have tried Red Heart Super Saver sometime in their life. Not everybody, but a lot of people have. So I try to use that as my base example. And Red Heart Super Saver can be, it's not the softest acrylic yarn. This is probably the scratchiest acrylic I felt in a while. I would have to say that. Okay. They want $4.99. That's on the regular price. I bought it when it was on sale or something when I bought it, but it's $4.99 at a regular price. Spectacular savings. $4.99 for 186 yards. That is not spectacular, because I can go to Walmart and get Red Heart Super Saver, which is softer than this, for a little less than $4.99 nowadays, because I think they did jack the price of, but more yardage, over 300 yards. Okay, it's a chain. Is that chain spun? No, it's plied. It's plied. It's 3 plies together, spun together there. It looks like it'll have good stitch definition. You want to crochet with it? Try not to make my video too long, but we could do some crocheting. But no, it's not a very soft yarn. I wouldn't wear a scarf out of it unless maybe it softens up after you wash it. Which is possible, but yes, this isn't. Let's go crochet with it. All right, here I am crocheting with it. It seems to crochet okay. It did split on me just a couple times, because if you look, you can see that it's not spun extremely tight, the plies. And it has a bit of a fuzz on it. I'm thinking that'll peel in the wash. Just my guess. So otherwise, it crochets okay. I'm certain that it's going to come undone okay once I try to take it apart. I did have a trouble with the center pull there. It all just kind of came out in one big blob, but you know, that happens from time to time with all yarns. Can't hold that against it. Alright, so I did some bobbles. Yeah, it does have nice stiff definition, and it does look well crocheted up. But man, is it giving me some finger burn. Not many yarns do that. Even Red Heart Super Saver doesn't give me a finger burn. Like I said, I'm certain it's going to come out just fine when I pull it apart. Yeah. Alright, so it's not the type of yarn to get hung up on itself or anything. And I did use a recommended 6mm hook. Alright, let's go back. Alright, I'm back. Alright, you see me crochet with it. I told you all about it. Now remember, please, these are all my own personal opinions. They really don't mean anything, actually. I do reviews because people ask me to do yarn reviews. I'm not affiliated with Lion Brand, nor any yarn company. Please do not take what I say right now to heart. if you have the means, buy your own ball and give it a go. Because everybody likes what they like. I like different things than other people. There's yarns that some people think are just like the worst yarns ever. But I absolutely love them. And vice versa. So, with that said, Lion Brand's Limited Edition Select. Two of their favorite things, spectacular savings and a good mystery. Well, there was no mystery, as they advertised. I picked a color palette, and the more I bought, the more variety of colors of blues I was supposed to get. I didn't. I got all 6 the same. Okay? There was no mystery there. No mystery. Spectacular savings? No. They could get on that. 186 yards for $5 of the scratchiest acrylic I think I've come across in a very, very long time. Crocheting with this made crocheting with the Red Heart Super Saver felt like a Red Heart Super Saver was a soft cloud. I would go to Walmart and buy Red Heart Super Saver for less than this with probably 200 more yards, or Mainstay. I love Walmart's Mainstay. It's way softer than Red Heart and this. And it's like $3 a ball. And it's still probably like 200 more yards than this. No way. There's no savings. There's no spectacular savings. Because this is a very, very scratchy acrylic that I would never ever buy again. And it says it's good for charity project and gift giving. Well, I wouldn't want to give anybody charity or gift anything that I wouldn't wear myself. I wouldn't wear a scarf out of this. I wouldn't want anything made out of that. Sorry, Lion Brand, you dropped your yarn ball on that one. I have to say, I'm not trying to be harsh, man. I'm just trying to be honest. That is the worst yarn that Lion Brand has put out in a very, very long time. And I've tried all their new yarns. I mean, that's what I do. I try new yarns. Sorry, Lion Brand. No, I love you. I do. I love almost all your yarns, but I always say you can't always win them all. Nobody bats 1,000, but your last 2 new ones, this one's horrible. That's just my thoughts, though. But you give it a go, because this could be the best yarn you've ever had. Maybe I got a bad batch. Let me fill the other ones. Maybe all 6 of these just came from a bad batch. They all feel like scratchy sandpaper. I'm going to go. Hey, if you try this, let me know your thoughts. Like I said, maybe I got a bad batch. Maybe when the new ones come, like I said, I ordered other colors thinking I was going to get 6 different colors of blue, 6 different colors of pink. They're not here yet, but I'm certain I'll get all the same color. Or maybe the person packing just didn't know what was going on that day. I don't know. But anyways, I'll let you know if it's any different. If it's the same, I won't even do another video. But if you tried this, let me know if this is not the scratchiest acrylic, or one of the scratchiest acrylics that you've ever come across. Like I said, maybe I got a bad batch. But, I mean, I don't know. It happens, Lion Brand, you know? I still love you, though. Bye, guys.